Hello everyone, my name is Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making pumpkin salad. Let's go. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my meal today. Assorted bell peppers, onion, parsley, basil, eggs, mayonnaise, green pigeon peas, all-purpose seasoning, parsley flakes, paprika, and the pumpkin. I'm gonna use this as an example or to demonstrate how I prepare my pumpkin to make my salad. First, you have to core the seeds out and pour the seeds out like this. Take this out, and then being it's not an whole pumpkin, it's a piece of pumpkin or half of a pumpkin, and this is a quarter of an half. So take it out and then do this. You have to cut it this way. This is kind of hard, so to do it this way. It's not the regular pumpkins that some people call it squash, so it's kind of very hard, especially the skin. So what I do, it's easier to peel this way. And this is like making potato salad. It's just that it's not the potato, it's the pumpkin. So you can use your potato salad recipe, eliminate the potato and add the pumpkin to it, and then that's it, pumpkin salad. But I think this already prepare my pumpkin prior to this. This is just a demonstration, so I've worked. And it's very important how you gonna dice it, because these are easily cooked. So you know this. And maybe you have to cook. You can cut it a little smaller if you want to. But like this. And if you want to put it whole in the pot and then you dice it after, then that's fine. But I chose to do it this way. So do this. And this is it. So what I would have done in this case, I would wash it in cold water. I would wash this, and then in a pot of boiling water, you would pour it into the pot, and a little salt, and also little seasoned salt or all-purpose season, whatever. It's optional. And you're gonna let it cook, depend on the amount that you're cooking. You're gonna let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes and a medium low heat. And after you cook it, then you're gonna drain the water off, and this is what it looks like. This is your pumpkin ready to be prepared for the salad. So this is all cooked, drained, and ready. Let's see. I also pre-boiled the eggs, and as I said, just like when you making potato salad, you just handle it the same way. So I pre-boiled the egg. Now I'm gonna get rid of the shell of the egg and dice the egg and put it in the container of my salad as well. Okay, so I'm gonna do it step by step here. So then we're gonna after the eggs, then we're gonna do the vegetable here, and then I'll break my egg. And it seems like it's a double. I'm not gonna put all the yolks in there because of cholesterol reason. You don't want to eat egg yolk if you're having issues, medical issues with cholesterol, or if you don't want to have medical issues with cholesterol. This is done with. Pop this open and you can see. So do this, pop it open. Maybe I use one yolk. This has two. This is a double chicken. So I'm gonna use one yolk. So I can just cut it up in my hand. It doesn't necessarily have to put on the chopping board because it's already cooked. And you can just do this. And you're gonna pour this into your salad bowl. Okay, so you can even finish, cut it up there. Then now here is my peppers and my basil, my onion, my parsley. So now I'm gonna do my peppers. So I want it to be very, very fine. So I'm gonna chop them this way, and then turn them over like this. So I tend to, as I said on all my shows, I tend to use colorful vegetables and herbs. Herbs mostly green, but the peppers is the one that give it the nice colors. So the yellow and red, and now a little green. And all my vegetables have been washed, so I'm gonna pour this in again in my main bowl. Okay, now with the onion, I'm gonna use half of the onion. This should be okay. So it's fine enough. Like, you don't want no big bite-sized onion in your mouth. So here I pour my onions here. Okay. So over here, what else to be cut? Just a little of the parsley, because it's going to be my decoration. So a little parsley and basil. Garden. Now, usually I would have used sweet peas, but this is the only green peas I can find in my cupboard, so I'm going to use this for today. But my preference would be sweet peas, but this is going to have to be suffice for what I don't have, which is the green peas. So I'm going to open it. What it looks like. But when it's pigeon peas, it has a darker shade to it, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to put water on. Okay, so I'm going to put this up here now. So I'm going to use half of this. Half of the pigeon peas. So that's now I'm going to mix my salad. I'm going to toss these around a little in there. Now I'm going to add my mayonnaise to my salad. It's going to be about 4 to 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm going to be putting in this. And like I told you before that all my video will be accompanied by the recipe. So let me stir in this and see if it needs more mayonnaise. It seems like it needs more. This looks delicious. Really looks delicious. I don't want it squished too much because I want it to have that chunky look. So it can take a little bit more mayonnaise, but for now, so now I'm gonna put a little of my all-purpose seasoning in there. My paprika to give it a little spunk of the color. It's my all-purpose seasoning. And then I'm gonna put a little dry parsley in there. Stir it up again. This is kind of healthy too because eliminate the eggs and the mayonnaise, or you can do vegan mayonnaise. This can suffice for starch if you're gonna eat. If you crave for starch or whatever, this can suffice for it. So this is very, very nice. So what I didn't have on my ingredients is a little mustard, which I'm gonna sprinkle a little mustard in here. It just came to my thought. Just a little. And trust me, it's gonna be awesome. It. this is the final product of my pumpkin salad. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!